is up? My name is Hayley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I have something really fun planned. I have an unboxing slash mini review slash giveaway, and I think this is the first ever tangible item giveaway on my channel, and it's a handbag. But before we get into all of that craziness, hey you guys, it's been a while. I think it's been over 2 weeks since I've posted a video here on YouTube, and it's just because I have a new job. To be completely honest with you guys, your girl is tired. She needs to sleep. She needs to do her homework. She needs to get in her Z's. She needs to try to drink enough water. She needs to try to have a social life. She needs to try to go to the gym and stay active. She needs to try to tan, and it's just, it doesn't all work. With that being said, I don't think I have too much to say to you guys. Trying to keep this intro short, simple, and sweet and not ramble on too much. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I will tell you to leave me a comment down below in the comment section, but you might as well wait till later on in the video because that's going to be a requirement for this giveaway. So this video is kindly sponsored, not paid for, by NaomiCrafted or from NaomiCrafted. And she reached out and asked if I could showcase one of her bags on my channel, and my response or my reply was, can I please have a bag for a giveaway? And she said yes, of course. And I said, thank you, girl, let's have some fun. I technically took these bags already out of the box because it was huge and I didn't have enough space to unbox it. It would have been awkward anyways, me trying to like open this big box for you guys to see everything. But this is my first, actual taking them out of their bags and feeling them, touching them, and experiencing them for the first time. But I know some people get really anal about, it's not a real unboxing if you don't have a box. But they haven't been used, they haven't been touched. So it's like the first time for me. But aside from that, if you don't know what NaomiCrafted is, the brand takes luxury and designer dust bags and upcycles them into sustainable works of art. They have dust bags from HERMES, from Gucci, from Louis Vuitton, and more. And all of the bags that I received and I'll be showing in this video are made from HERMES dust bags, which means one of the bags that I'm going to be gifting you guys or giving away to you guys is going to be made from an HERMES dust bag. And so I'm quite excited about this, y'all. I will try my best to link everything down below in the comment section, but like moving forward, I'm just going to show you guys what I got. And so the first item, which I said I liked this, but I thought I was only going to get one bag. So this was sort of a surprise because I thought I was going to get, the bag that I show you after this one has the only one. So getting this, I was pleasantly surprised to receive it as well. This is a bucket bag, you guys. And I think this is just so freaking cute. This is what it looks like, you guys. And the reason, I gave her a list, and the reason that I wanted this one, or the reason I put it on the list, was because of this color. Because in my opinion, I don't think I have anything that has this combination of colors in my collection. And seeing it in person is so much cuter than, I know that's horrible to say, but I say this for a lot of bags. You have to see something in person, like, than online, because online sometimes the pictures don't do it justice. And so the pictures online are very nice, but seeing this, it's so freaking cute. And it has, wait, I can show you guys a little strap. I'm gonna open it and take everything out. There's a whole bunch of different straps. Oh, I think it has like a crossbody strap. I did not know this. I need to pay more attention online, but it has a crossbody strap that actually has an adjustable, the strap is adjustable is what I'm trying to say, but it also has, and I wish my Neo Noe had this. This is something, maybe I can just use this on my Neo Noe, even though the colors do not match. I do not care about that. It has this little top handle option as well. So you have the ability to do it crossbody, shoulder, or, top handle, which could technically also, could it be, maybe if my arm was skinnier, it could be, but I don't think, it's not meant for that. I was trying to make fetch happen, you guys. So moving on to the bag that I was actually expecting to receive, and I believe this is the #1 like bag that they offer from NaomiCrafted, and it is the Redefining Garden Bag, if I'm not mistaken. So like I stated, I believe this is their #1 selling handbag, and I understand why. And when you see it, you'll probably understand why as well, because it's a very timeless silhouette, and in my opinion, it just looks so freaking cool. But yeah, like I stated, it's the Redefining Garden Bag. This is what it looks like. And I got it in the black, you guys, because I feel like this, it does look amazing in the brown as well, because they have one in like a similar color combination as this. But I don't know what it is about the black and the white. It just looks so clean and chic, and I just, in my head, how I envision it, feel like it will go with a lot more. Even with what I'm wearing now, I feel like it matches. I feel like it would go really cute together, and I haven't even opened it yet. I'm saying all of these things without seeing it in all of its glory, but oh, that is so satisfying to me. This is one of the most satisfying things about unboxings and bags when they have this stuff on. Ugh, it gives me like goosebumps or chills down my spine. Oh, she's beautiful. Let me open her up. Oh, oh, oh. Wow, y'all, this bag is so freaking nice. It's really, really nice because, let me show you. It was cinched in with these little buttons. I have to do it again. I'm very bad at doing this, but it cinches in like this, so you have a different look. And I think that if you left it open, you just popped it open and left it open like this, it would, how do you say, like form a little better. Right now it's been sitting cinched in together for a very long time. But if you left it open, if you wanted a more open tote look, then just fill it, and I think it would form perfectly. This is what the interior looks like, and it has this little flap here, this little side pocket, and it's actually massive. You could fit so much in here. I think you could fit a full like size wallet. I don't have one with me, but I do have my phone, so maybe that'll give you guys a little understanding of what can fit inside of this bag. Do you see how big this is? It could fit, I'm pretty sure, a full size wallet. If not, a mid-size wallet, a mid-plus wallet. Don't know what type of wallet you have, but this could fit, I feel, everything. And how I would envision this bag for myself. This is the perfect, like, everyday tote. This is something that I could use for traveling. This is something I could use for the gym. This is something I could use for the beach. This is something that I could use when I need to run errands, but I also need to carry everything under the kitchen sink with me. This is something that maybe I'm planning a brunch where I need a few more items, but I want to wear something cute. This is an amazing combination. And I also like that if you don't like this logo, I think it looks cute, you can just turn it around and no one knows. I understand why this is their #1 bag. This is probably my favorite out of the bags that I am showing you guys, or I will be showing, because the next one is one that I picked out that I would like to own myself, but I said it's the perfect giveaway bag because it's also a multifunctional bag as well. And it is their tote canvas bag, or canvas tote bag, however you want to put it. It has a cute little pocket in the back. I mean, this could technically be the front too, depending on if you want to have the logo or not. And it also has a zipper on the top, and it has a zipper compartment over here, or on this side, and then it has a non-zipper compartment pocket over here. And this is what you can win. I'm sorry that I'm all touching it and all that good stuff. I will stop touching it now. I will put it to the side. I will put it back in its little bag, and I'm going to then pack it up nicely for whoever wins it. Getting into the rules or requirements for this giveaway, I tried to make it as easy and streamlined as possible. There are a few things that you have to do. It's not as easy as my little fashion file debacle giveaway, gift card giveaway that I did. This one requires a little bit more work, but I will list everything on the screen right here, down below in the description box, and also as a pinned comment. So I might forget something talking, but I promise you that everything you need to do will be listed somewhere on this video down below in the description box or as a pinned comment. So please follow those instructions. You have to subscribe, like this video. I mean, I can't tell if you can like this video or not, but please like this video, comment. I mean, that's the number one thing that you have to do, is that you have to go to NaomiCrafted's website. You have to pick out 1 or 2 items that you would love from the website. Not that I have shown. I mean, if you love the items that I've shown in this video, you're more than welcome to include them, but I would prefer that you pick something not included in this video, list it down below in the comment section, and then follow Naomi on social media. I will put her channel, link, everything down below, and then in the comment, when you put what you want, please include your Instagram handle so then I can make sure that you're following Naomi. You don't have to follow me on Instagram or anything like that. It's more so geared towards Naomi. Not to say that she has anything to do with this giveaway, because it's solely through me, you guys, but I'm trying to just send a little love her way because she was very generous and very kind sending me all of these things. And so I think that's it. If I have a discount code, I'm pretty sure I do, I will leave it down below. If you don't necessarily win this giveaway, but you still want a bag for yourself, you're more than welcome to use my discount code down below. Pick something out that you like, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun shopping. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you to Naomi for sponsoring this video, and love you guys. I was trying to think of what else to say. There's nothing else to say. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and bye.